Preserve your garlic at the peak of freshness. Cook in oil for garlic confit, and then have at hand anytime you want garlic that is soft and tender and can be spread directly onto bread. Use it directly in sauces and aiolis, and also season your pans for stir fries and even a fondue. So let's get started. First, collect all the items. You'll just need oil and garlic. If you like, you can also season it with thyme, bay leaf, or even dry chili, or keep it plain like I have here. The one thing you'll really need is a garlic peeler. And this is one that I like because you just pop in the cloves, roll it around, and the peels come off nice and easy. And because you'll be doing a large volume of peeling. Here I've done 10 heads of garlic, but you can do as many as you like. Just put them into an oven-safe pan and then completely submerge them in oil. Your oil choice can be neutral, like I used grapeseed oil in this case, or for a more Mediterranean flair, use extra virgin olive oil. Here I've used about 3 cups of oil. Now cover it and put it into a preheated oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. It'll be nice and tender and cooked and a golden color. As soon as you've cooled it down to room temperature, then store in your airtight container in the refrigerator and bring out any time that you want to have a delicious spread on your bread or to throw into any types of sauces or seasoned pans. It's a wonderful staple to have on hand. The complete recipe is at readyandthriving.com, where you'll also find other wonderful recipes for using vegetables and other foods at their peak of freshness.